my fire. You gave me the cold. Now I'm out here shaking with no hand to hold. There's no place to fall and nowhere to run. You left me with silence and a love that's undone.